You ready?
I'm ready. So ready.
Yes. We are ready.
Okay, so we are ready to have some cute, amazing fun. We are at the airport.
Ignore my mask. It keep going over my nose.
Yeah, kind of masky situation.
I'm so excited. You excited?
So excited.
You ready for your...
This is gonna be our oh my god, I didn't ask for them to print one. It's our first trip this year.
Yes. And many more to come.
Exactly.
We're so excited.
Oh my god. Not so many people are traveling today, and it's sunny. To add to the point, wait, do we know which gate we are going to? Number 9. Number 9. So just make sure you have a look at number 9, because unless I put on my glasses, you will get lost.
So
And
we're 12, we're 9, right?
oh, we still have an hour to go. 9. We have 9. What
Oh, yeah. Definitely 9.
D9.
What is it?
Just D9. Where are they? Do you see them? We went all over there.
Did you get the money?
Yeah, this at least it's better that way.
We took so long at the security.
Oh, we didn't. Went to,
No, there is someone who was like having a whole lot of other things to check.
Ah.
We just like went.
You know those idiots that carry liquid they're not supposed to carry?
Oh my god, yes. You don't have a seat. You can sit here. Come sit
I
on my
know.
lap.
I'm always the odd one out. Hmm? Hold it. I just need to take off some clothes.
Yep, it's still filming. You want to be in the camera?
Do I look like I'm somewhere?
Hey, Winnie.
Whose vlog is that? Is it your vlog?
Yeah.
Oh. Fine. Oh, should we do it here?
personally would not want to do Starbucks because
yeah.
we find Starbucks in Athens.
Yeah.
I think that way there is a.
Yeah.
There's a good coffee place here.
Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's go. See, Athens needs to put bicycle.
Human first.
Human. Not passing both of them at once. And then the freaking buses like or cars are coming to like
Yeah. Wow, this is like.
Yeah, it's gonna take a minute to learn how to drive here. Like, dude. Let's go rent a car, but we don't know how to navigate the street.
There's no way.
But are they driving? They're driving the same side, right? As
Yeah,
us,
as
right?
us. Yeah, thank God.
The only place where people start drinks only.
I
And we have like the bucket. There are more black.
He has really nice, like, yeah, but what are you talking about? No, he's not proud. No, he's an athlete, so he has really good body. But nobody talks about him. Yeah, like Greeks don't talk about it. The way they,
Not in the NBA.
but
Because they are the Tokumbos, they are brothers, there are 4 of them. So like, if you're not talking about Giannis, you talk
but
about Alex. you
let's
talk
be
about-
realistic. Even at the Tokumbo, they just
Coffee shop there.
where?
Across the street.
Let's go see what's up.
There.
I need hot chocolate right now.
No, don't.
No.
Please. We've done enough for today. They are very yellow-ish. They like yellow. A lot of
the
yellow.
taxis
around.
are really, really yellow.
Should we just go to him and be like, hey, how many credit cards do you have?
Who?
The guy looking at us.
Huh?
The guy looking at us.
Serenata, Centralia, whatever it's called. Here?
Oh, it smells curry.
Is this a bar or a coffee?
It is a bar, Mizzy.
Cafe Bistro.
It looks
Okay,
like.
let's go.
Oh Jesus!
happened?
Static. Look. It looks like it's for. Hi. Is there? Can we take coffee here or just food?
Yes. How many are you?
4.
Data 7.
This is a little which let me show you.
So do you have several options?
Okay. Oh, we can sit there. That's it's better, right? Yeah. Okay.
Goodness gracious. Isn't it warm and roasty?
Toasted. I like it. It's nice.
You know
Oh, what?
The camera is looking at you. You see her?
You will
Can you see her?
yeah, I can see her. You will think things are not nice because they look so cool and everything, but they're actually cute.
Thank you.
What's the happy ending? What is going to increase? They will be staring at us like, what do you want from here? No one even asks you like, what do you want? They're crazy.
I want hot chocolate.
I want that too. Where is it?
Ooh, should I get a matcha latte?
Where is it?
Matcha latte, beetroot latte, blah, no.
What do you want?
Hot chocolate.
Why is it like all chocolate? Ooh, should we have like all chocolate with like a...
Go, you're warm. Jesus.
I am, yeah. My jacket is so warm.
I am freezing.
No, like that.
Oh, yeah.
Where is the chocolate?
You know, like the all chocolate that you can put like alcohol in there.
You're gonna put some stuff in there?
You can do that. Do you want to try that? Like all chocolate with like alcohol in there. Yeah.
How do you call
My
that?
head still hurts.
What's
I
the
don't
name
know.
of it?
Like rest.
But we can probably personalize our orders. What do you
We're
think?
gonna do dinner tonight.